The next generation of state-of-the-art three-dimensional AI tools has just arrived, with NVIDIA Research having finally unveiled its Neuralangelo, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence model that has harnessed the power of neural networks for 2D to 3D surface reconstruction. With unrivaled accuracy and fidelity, this AI model converts any 2D video clips into detailed 3D structures. From intricate replicas of historic buildings and monumental sculptures to commonplace objects, Neuralangelo is breathing life into the digital world by manifesting detailed, lifelike 3D structures from 2D media. The resulting creations can then be modified and utilized in design applications across various fields, from art and video game development to robotics and industrial digital twins. Neuralangelo also distinguishes itself with its ability to surpass the performance of all previously known methods. The high level of precision of Neuralangelo's reconstructions allows developers and creative professionals to effortlessly generate realistic virtual objects for their projects, leveraging footage captured by everyday smartphones. Undoubtedly, Neuralangelo is set to revolutionize the creator industry and gaming industry, providing a seamless bridge between the physical and digital worlds. It equips developers with the power to seamlessly integrate detailed objects of any scale into virtual settings, opening up a world of possibilities for metaverse development as well. A live demonstration by NVIDIA researchers showcased Neuralangelo's impressive versatility, recreating objects as iconic as Michelangelo's David and as ubiquitous as a flatbed truck. Neuralangelo was also able to reconstruct both the interiors and exteriors of buildings, as demonstrated with a detailed 3D model of the park at NVIDIA's Bay Area campus. Previous AI models employed for 3D scene reconstruction have encountered challenges with capturing repetitive texture patterns, homogeneous colors, and pronounced color variations. Neuralangelo addresses these issues, incorporating instant neural graphics primitives, the innovative technology behind NVIDIA Instant Nerf, to capture these intricate details. Surprisingly, it works in a similar fashion to an artist studying a subject from various perspectives to ascertain depth, size, and shape. Neuralangelo selects multiple frames from a 2D video of an object or scene shot from different angles. With the camera position of each frame determined, Neuralangelo's AI generates an initial 3D representation of the scene. It then optimizes the render to refine the details, ultimately producing a 3D object or a large-scale scene that can be integrated into virtual reality applications, digital twins, or robotics development. Interestingly, Neuralangelo is also being showcased among nearly 30 other projects from NVIDIA Research. Among these projects is Diff Collage, a diffusion method that generates large-scale content, including long landscape orientation, 360-degree panorama, and looped motion images. It employs a unique approach, treating smaller images as segments of a larger visual to generate cohesive large-scale content, without the need for training on images of the same scale. Two crucial components have been instrumental in enabling this approach. Firstly, the use of numerical gradients for calculating higher-order derivatives, which serve as a mechanism for smoothing. Secondly, a coarse-to-fine optimization strategy applied on hash grids that manage varying levels of detail. Remarkably, even without the aid of auxiliary depth, Neuralangelo can proficiently recreate dense 3D surface structures from multi-view images. The quality of the reconstruction notably exceeds that of earlier methods, facilitating the conversion of large-scale scene details from RGB video captures into intricately detailed 3D structures. But there's another AI development that has regular users even more excited. Beyond visual reconstruction artificial intelligence, many users of the popular ChatGPT application have been circulating recently obtained screenshots, which are driving rumors around OpenAI preparing to release another groundbreaking update for ChatGPT and potentially GPT-4, which could redefine the user experience and use cases for these powerful AI chatbots. Intriguingly, a serendipitous discovery by a sharp-eyed Redditor could be the beacon that signals this bold new evolution. An underlying vein of excitement has thrummed through the tech community, with the prospects of new features such as workspace, file uploads, and profiles. This potential metamorphosis could signify the advent of the long-awaited business version of ChatGPT. The clandestine first look into this possible transformation was caught by the eagle-eyed Reddit user named Kocham_Sai. He cleverly tricked the ChatGPT site into believing his account had unrestricted access. In doing so, he not only managed to find the new chat sharing feature a week before its official unveiling, but also offered the world a tantalizing taste of the game-changing updates that could be coming. If the whispers are to be believed, this might just be the most substantial update to the AI assistant yet. At the heart of this potential upgrade lies the workspace, a feature that promises to enable collaboration and sharing within workgroups, enhancing efficiency and seamless integration. Coupled with this is a profile space, an area where users could lodge their static information or preferences, eliminating the redundancy of repetition and offering an impressive level of customization. Could this feature be the very realization of the promise made by the OpenAI CEO, Sam Altman, earlier this year? But the anticipation doesn't stop there. Adding to the mounting excitement is the File Uploads feature, a significant stride towards allowing documents to become chat-enabled. If this feature is actualized, users could upload files, allowing ChatGPT to generate summaries or pinpoint specific information. This addition could take the user experience to an entirely new level, and it's not hard to see why anticipation is brewing. Tying all this potential together is the distinct possibility that these features might be signaling the inception of the long-awaited business version of ChatGPT, which was a feature promised by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman earlier this year. Coinciding with new privacy measures, this version guarantees a greater focus on privacy, negating the use of user data for model training and preserving chat history. Though full details of the business version are yet to be unveiled, the timing aligns and speculation is rife. On the other side of the AI spectrum, Microsoft has also been working on a business version of ChatGPT. It plans to host this service on its servers, offering a similar suite of enhancements, but with a significantly heftier price tag, and with ChatGPT's potential upgrades seemingly on par and promising a much more cost-effective solution. It might just cement its position as the go-to AI model. In maintaining its rapid pace of advancement, ChatGPT was also recently given several critical upgrades, including internet connectivity and the ability to manipulate software applications via over 150 different AI plugins. Furthermore, while OpenAI has claimed not to be in the middle of training GPT-5, it does seem that they are steadily extending the functionality of both ChatGPT and GPT-4, with visual understanding also being an expected upgrade in the not-so-distant future. Even more exciting is the upcoming artificial intelligence Copilot integration for Windows 11, which will act as an intelligent assistant within the operating system. As the tech world waits with bated breath, multimodal chatbots are about to unlock a world of new opportunities for users in 2023. And while it may be hard to tell if OpenAI is training GPT-5, it's safe to say that someone somewhere is training its competitor. Furthermore, as OpenAI is closed source, an increasing number of open-sourced large language models are popping up, such as Facebook's Alpaca, which stand to disrupt their closed-source counterparts. Regardless of whether the future of AI is open-sourced or closed-source, the exponential pace of advancement will both amaze and surprise most onlookers as the technology progresses at an accelerating pace.